Hi everyone, I am Ryan. Welcome to our simple English story today.
Hello, I am Jessica. Thank you for joining us in our dark home.
Today you will learn English for emergencies, neighbors, and simple safety steps.
The level is mostly A1, with some easy B1 sentences near the end.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like these simple English stories.
And write a comment. Tell us which country you are watching from today.
Hi Jessica, it is very dark. Did the power just go out?
Hi, Ryan. Yes, the light stopped suddenly. I think it is a blackout.
I will check the switch. Maybe it is only our apartment problem.
I already tried, but nothing changed. The whole building seems dark.
Okay, it is really a blackout. Let us prepare some light and water.
Good idea. I have more candles here, and a small battery radio too.
My phone has no signal now. Maybe other neighbors also have problems.
Yes, let us check on them. Some people might need help tonight.
I will bring the flashlight for the hallway. It is very dark there.
I will bring water and a first aid kit, just in case someone needs it.
The hallway is so quiet. The small emergency lights are still working.
Yes, that is good. At least people can see a little when they walk.
If anyone opens, I will ask, "Are you okay in there?"
That is a good emergency question. Simple, polite, and easy to understand quickly.
Maybe we should also check near the stairs. People can fall in the dark.
Yes, we can say, be careful, the lights are out near the stairs.
The stairs look clear, but they are very dark without the main lights.
We should tell neighbors. Use the handrail and walk slowly on the stairs.
It seems quiet. Maybe everyone is fine, just waiting for the power.
Yes, but we can still prepare more, so we feel calm and ready.
Let us check our supplies. Do we have enough water and canned food?
Yes, and some dry snacks. It is important to store simple food for emergencies.
We also need a list: water, food, flashlight, batteries, and a radio.
And maybe warm clothes and a power bank. Planning like this really reduces our stress.
I realize emergencies are less scary when we know clear steps and useful phrases.
Exactly. Simple sentences like, "Do you need help?" can really support our neighbors.
I still hear no sirens or big noise. Maybe it is only electricity.
My phone shows a message. The company is working on the power problem now.
So we are safe, just waiting. This is a good practice situation.
Yes, we can learn now and feel more confident in a real emergency later.
Look, the power is coming back. The city lights are returning now.
Yes, it looks peaceful again. I am glad everything stayed calm inside.
Next time, we can also share our checklist with neighbors in this building.
Yes, building a small community plan would make everyone feel safer and connected.
Now the lights are back, but we learned important English for blackouts.
Yes, we practiced questions, safety phrases, and planning words together in a real situation.
Thank you for watching. Stay safe, practice these phrases, and see you next time. Goodbye, Jessica.
Thank you, everyone, for joining our story. Take care, Ryan, and goodbye to all of you. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. It shows action done before now. Nothing changed, past negative. Let us prepare. Soft suggestion. Let us includes the listener. Do you need help? Key question. Polite, direct, easy to process. Check on them shows care. Might need help shows possibility. Just in case adds cautious reason. Lights are still working. Present. Still means continuing now. Is working on the power problem now. Present continuous equals action in progress. We are safe. Just waiting. Ing phrase shows a temporary state. The power is coming back. Present continuous for change now. At least people can see a little. At least reduces worry gently. If anyone opens, I will ask. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. This is the first conditional. Are you okay in there? Polite cue. Short, clear, caring tone. Use with neighbors in emergencies. Maybe we should check the stairs. Maybe softens the advice. Be careful, the lights are out. Imperative plus reason helps safety. Use the handrail is a command. It seems quiet. Cautious view. Seems dark is careful, not strong. We can still prepare more. Ability. So we feel calm and ready. Result. Do we have enough water? Question. Enough shows required amount. It is important to store food. Purpose phrase for emergencies. We also need a list. Planning. Water, food, flashlight, batteries, na radio, na power banker, articles. I will show when to use them in real life. From It is very dark. Present state. Would make everyone feel safer. Would sounds tentative and polite. Be verb plus adjective shows a state. Did the power just go out? Past cue. Did plus base verb makes a past cue. The light stopped suddenly. Past. Ed marks a finished past action. It is a blackout. Gives a label. Be plus noun defines the issue. I will check the switch. Future. Will shows a quick decision. I will bring the flashlight. Offer. Will here sounds helpful, polite. I already tried, uses already.